Hi boys and girls, it's Miss O'Connell. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you exactly what you're going to need in order to play the game for today's Friday activity for math. So this is a game you're familiar with. It's called Circles and Stars, and it's a multiplication game. So what you're going to need is a blank piece of paper, and out of your math bag, you're going to need your 2 dice. So you're going to need your 2 dice, and you're going to need a plain piece of paper. Now, I've already folded mine, but if you need a reminder, I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to take your blank piece of paper, you're going to fold it in half. You'll crease the sides by pinching them in between your fingers. And then you'll fold it in half again, and you'll fold it in half one more time. And again, you'll really pinch the sides and crease them so that you have 8 equal boxes when you open your paper back up. And what you'll be able to do is, if you need to, you can actually go ahead and take a marker or a colored pencil and go ahead and kind of go over or trace over those creases, so that way you end up with 8 equal size boxes. And what you're going to do is you're going to do 8 different multiplication representations. So here's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to roll my dice. My first number is a 3. What that tells me is that I have 3 groups. My second number is a 2. That tells me how many are in each group. So for box number 1, I have 3 groups of 2. 3 groups of 2, which I know is the same thing as 3 times 2. In order to figure out what 3 groups of 2 are, draw it. When in doubt, draw it out. Just draw it out. I could choose to do something very simple and do 3 groups with 2 in each group. But I might just do 2 polka dots. 3 groups of 2 is 3 times 2, which is 2, 4, 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Now, do I have to draw circles and stars? No. Do I have to draw squares or rectangles and circles? No, we could make this more fun. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to roll the dice again. This time I got 4. Oops, sorry, I clicked it. I got 4 groups of 6. So number 2, I'm going to write 4 groups of 6. Now for this one, I know that 4 groups of 6 really means 4 times 6. And I want to figure out how much 4 times 6 actually is. Instead of drawing 4 rectangles with 6 circles in each rectangle, we could do this. Why don't we do this? I'm going to draw 4 ice cream cones with 6 scoops of ice cream on each cone. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're not perfect. I'm not an artist. This is math class. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 4 groups of 6, which is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. I could skip count. I could say 6, 12, 18, 24. 4 groups of 6 is 4 times 6, which is 24. Now what you're going to do, boys and girls, is you're going to do this yourself. You're going to do it all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for each picture, you're going to draw something different. You could do scoops of ice cream. You could do books on a shelf. You could do all sorts of, you could do tennis balls in a bucket. You could do all sorts of things. So again, you're going to roll your dice. The first number is the number of groups, and the second number is the number in each group. And you're going to fill all 8 squares of your paper.